Hello friends, myself Parmar Dilbar. I am studying in final year mechanical from Caltech University. I am working on a project under the guidance of D. Rajesh sir. My project title is Investigation of Thermal Properties of Bamboo, Aloe Vera Natural Fiber Reinforcement Materials. We are working on composite material along with the bamboo and aloe vera sheet. Let's go for a project. Here it is the main objective of our project to find the thermal properties of bamboo and aloe vera hybrid natural fibers reinforcement polymer composites. Here is the introduction. Actually, here in this introduction, we are going to get knowledge about the natural fibers. Actually, we also know that natural fibers are serious alternative to synthetic fibers for use in various fields. Here some survey we done on the composite materials like conductivity characterization of bamboo fiber reinforcement polyester composite by K. Monica R. Ramanis, like this. And these are the advantages of natural fibers, like less weight, low cost, environment superior, biodegradable, low density. And there are some application also of natural fibers, like applications are like in automotive applications, in building applications, in aerospace. And this is the methodology for completing of the material of our project. First of all, we had chosen the material which is bamboo and aloe vera sheet for us, and for the fabrication we are using and we are using hardener. Then after this we had fabricated by the help of mold, and the testing we had done. There are four thermal tests we had done: thermal conductivity, thermogravimetric analysis, thermal linear expansion, like this. And then we have prepared the report. There are the fibers. One is bamboo fiber and one is aloe vera fiber, and these are the resin and hardener. And these are how we made the composite. Actually, we made four composition. One is BAAB, and one is double B double A, and one is BABA, and one is ABBA. Actually, here A denotes for aloe vera and B denotes for bamboo. And we did the fabrication by the hand layout method. Here is a big diagram for hand layout method. And these are the various type of various steps for the making of the material. Here first we mixed hardener and the resin. Here we made it by the rule of mixing, means which is that here we are using 1% hardener and 9%, means 10 is to 1 ratio we are mixing it. And then here it is like first of all we take the mold and we are using a laminatic sheet and then releasing agent, and then we are putting our sheet, and then on the sheet we are putting the mixture of hardener and the resin. And after that we are getting like this, and then we are with the roller we are fixing this. This is a peak of our mold. These are the thermal tests which we have done already. I said the thermal conductivity, linear thermal oxidation, thermal geometric analysis, and heat deflection temperature. And this result we got. Actually, we had done this all the tests in CPET. We got the result from the CPET only. This is thermal conductivity result for different materials. And we drawn a bar graph also. Here we can see that AB having the maximum thermal conductivity, and these are the results for thermal expansion. And this thermal expansion bar graph, and you can see that AB having less thermal expansion. This is the result for heat deflection temperature. You can see that AB is deflecting very less heat. This is TGA result. Here the graph for ABBA and BAAB TGA graph, and here for ABAB and ABB TGA graph. These are the conclusions, and actually we are after all the conclusion we can get that ABBA is the good one. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.